Dear student, in today's session, we have to continue with the binary and ternary operator in C. In last class, we have discussed the arithmetic operator are of three types: unary, binary, ternary. We explain unary operator with example by running the program in C online compiler. Now we have to discuss in this class about the binary and ternary operator in C. Let comes to binary operator. We know the operator that require two operand or variable to fulfill its job known as binary operator. The operators are like plus, minus, into, division, modulus and many operators which are the examples of a binary operator. Suppose for example we can write 2 plus 3. 2 as the operand value, 3 is the operand value, plus is the operator. 2 and 3 are the two values. They are known as binary operator. For minus, two values are required as the operands or the constants, hence it is also binary. Into as a multiplication operator, two operand value is required. Division as a front class required two operand value. We can write direct the constant, or those values can be stored inside the variable, then you can use it. If we write a equal to 2, b equal to 3, then the similar way you can write a plus b, a minus b, a into 3, a into b, or a by 3 accordingly. Without two operand value, any binary operator will not work, hence they are known as binary operator. If we verify with the help of example, suppose we write int as the data type, x equal to 20, y equal to 10, then how can you evaluate all the binary operators? X plus y, the value will display in the first percentile d. X minus y, the second value will display in second percentile d. X into y, the third value will display in third percentile d. X by y, the division value will display in the fourth percentile d. As four values will be generated and hence four formatted string are used, and for the integer value the formatted string is used as a percentile d. Now if this program will run, the output will be displayed in this way, because 20 plus 10 is 30, 20 minus 10 is 10, 20 into 10 is 200, 20 by 10 is 2. If we want to run this program, then we can run it. How to run? Move to online compiler, write the program here, moves to online compiler, either open or you open as I previous show you. Then what we have to do? We declare int x equal to 20, y equal to 10, then we have to display the value as for percentile d to be used, percentile d, percentile d, percentile d, percentile d, and we have to display the value as x plus y, then x minus y, then x into y, then x by y. Then you run this program, then the output will be accordingly. In this way, in the similar way as the previous one, this program is run, and in this way you can run many other programs. Then returning to our presentation, now comes to ternary operator. The operator that required three operand to fulfill its job known as ternary operator. Ternary operator otherwise known as your conditional operator, because any decision making can be given by the help of ternary operator. In latter part we have to use the different decision making statement in the next chapter, like if else, nested if, switch. That thing will come in later on. Here condition, according to the condition, if the condition meets to true, the first value will execute, that is true value. If the condition meets to false, the second value will execute. Question mark and the colon mark is known as your ternary operator. Again I am repeating, if this condition meets to true, the first value will execute, and if the condition meets to false, the second value or second expression will execute. As it is required three expressions, hence is known as your ternary operator. We have to evaluate by the help of some example. Now we have taken here, we have to evaluate greatest of two numbers. Then I have taken x value and y value. Now condition is given x greater than y 190 से ज़्यादा है क्या? Yes, it is true. X is greater than y, hence x will return. X will stored inside the variable z. Then if I assess the z, the value will be 100. If x value is 10 and y value is 90, 10 is greater than 90. No, the y value will be displayed. It will be stored in the z and the z value will display. Percentile where the z as a value will display. What contains in the z variable, greater is a message you can give or you may not give. If I run this program, then how you have to run? And again, move to your online compiler, write the program here. Suppose x20, y10, then I can write, I can take another variable as z, then how can you write it? Z equal to, if x greater than y, then x will return, otherwise y will return. Then greatest of number, how can I find? Percentile d greater, then what the variable to be displayed? The z. Let me to write z. If I run this program, the output will be 20 is greater. If I make y as 100, then it should display 100 is greater. Yes, why? X is greater than y. It is false. Then the y will evaluate. Y value is 100, store in z, then we have to assess the z. In this way, other program can be written. Now, in today's class, we discussed binary operators, ternary operators, few examples is given with running in the compiler, and we have also given some programs that has to be solved by you, like these 5 programs are given to testing the number even or odd, for testing two numbers are equal or not, find out the smallest of three number, input the mark and calculate the grade on following condition, store a number from 1 to 7 according to the number the day will display, for 1 as Sunday, 2 as Monday, like 7 is Saturday, anything is invalid. You try to solve this problem. If you cannot solve the problem, we have to solve all those problem in between some of the session, you will be getting the answer. But you first, for your creativity, try to solve this problem. If having any problem, make the comment in the comment section. If you like today's session, then you like it. Those are not subscribed, kindly subscribe it, because it is a continuous process. We always try to give you the best solution of your questions and your career objective where the C is concerned with. And in till now, in operator, arithmetic operator is being completed, which include unary operator, binary operator and ternary operator. I hope today's session is very helpful to you, and see you in the next class. Thank you.